Hello guys, I hope you are extremely well. Today we will discuss about the string in C++. So what is the string? A string is a sequence of characters in C++. There are two ways to work with strings. One is C style string using character arrays and another is STL strings using the standard string class. Okay. What is the C style string? So these are the arrays of characters terminated with a null character. What is the mean of this line? So go to the draw pad and explain it. Okay. What is the first? What is the array? Okay. So array is the linear data structure that stores the same type of elements. Okay. So what is the character array? In here, character is a data type. And what is the character array then? So character array stores character array is a linear data structure and stored only character type elements in the structure. Okay. So and here we just initialize or our size character array size is 26. Okay. Here just we assigned it and what's the and here the null character termination is here. So what's the length of this? 0 to 5 means the length is 6. Okay. And at the end the terminator or the null character present. Okay. So what is the size of the character? So character size is 1 byte. 1 byte means 8 bits. Okay, you can know 8 bits, you know that. And what is the range of this? What is the range of character? Okay, so for the range there are two type of value: unsigned character, and other is the signed character. For the unsigned, that is the positive only. So 0 to 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay, so 0 to 2 to the power n minus 1. This is the for the unsigned. And what is the signed? Sign for the sign case, this is the minus 2 to the power 7 minus 1 2, sorry, minus 2 to the power 7 to 2 to the power 7 minus 1. These are the range of the character type. Okay, so that's the unsigned integer. The mean value is 0 and the max value is 0 to 8 minus 1 means 0 to 7 minus 1. Okay, 0 to 2 to the power 8 minus 1 or 0 to 2 to the power 7. And for the sign, this is the negative and positive both combination. So this is the minus 2 to the power 7 to 2 to the power 7 minus 1. So we go to the compiler and explain how it works. Okay, so there have we need take a character array. We take the maximum size is 26. Okay, first see out, enter the all characters and L, and take a for loop int I equal to 0. Also you can take these types sin array 0 or sin array 1 index. So there have take so many times, so we ignore it. I less than, we take only 5 character, and I plus plus, everything is right. Okay, so take each and every character. Okay, and after that print the array. Okay. First print enter all the characters, then we just print my name, and this is the Prema. Okay, so Prema 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, the 5 size. So these are the output for the character array. So what is the null character here? So what is the value of the value of size? Size is 5. So we check it in the next indel and your array 5, index 5th index or 5 index. So p r e m a, so there have the null character, but how can I view it? So we need to type cast it. Now see it. Wait, just take a if, take, so take is, take e, take r, take t, and here the null character is 0. The size of the array is 5, and the null character which terminate your character array, that is the null value. Okay, so there have a, so we prove it. Okay, there have a null character for this case. In this case, where is it? Yeah, terminated with a null character, we prove it. And for that case we need, how can I take, we just only know scene only take the each and every character. So instead of, how can I, wait, is scene read the empty space? We need empty space in the array. P R E M A, here scene read the empty space? No, scene can't read the empty space. Why? This is the same behavior in the C++. So instead of using this, so we are using getLine method. Okay, cin dot getLine, this is the STL method, and here we need to name of the array, write the name of the array, and we need the size of the array. Just run it and check it is okay. Yes, all are okay. Like prem am, we paste it, give a paste, and then we just write the array. So here getLine method can read the null, sorry, null not space, where cin can't read this. So these are the difference of the scene and getLine. Okay, and this is the, okay, how can I get the length of your string? So for that case we use strlen method, strcout strlen, and your string name, just check it, what's the size of your array. prem in array, so size here 10. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, pace is also a character here. Okay, so this is all about the your character array. So we go to the string portion. So we are talking about the string. So what is the string? String is a data type, or we can say it is the collection of the character data type. Okay, so how can I initialize a string or assign a string? String str. Okay, this is the string, this is the string data type, and the name of string is str. So we just assign a string like alphabets. Okay, these are the strings. So what's the output? So we check it, the output is alphabets. Okay, these are the strings. So how can I get input in the string? Okay, so first take a input, take a string. We need a variable str1, we take it, and for that case we just take a for loop, or not, sin str1. Okay, and for the output take this str1, and this is the intel, just okay. First print the alphabets, second we need to store your array. so we get the output. But if I just push any space, so scene can't read that. This is the scene behavior, and for that case we want to use the get line. Okay, so in the string get line method is that type. First take your string name, then what's the length of this? 26. We need the length, and for that case I just run it. No, there have error. Sorry. In the get line, first c in, and that's the next your string name. Okay, sorry for mistake. This is the alphabets, and Premanshu Ray. Okay, no output is in there. What's the problem? So check it. You take the string here, get line, just take it, and what is your sorry for that. This is the str1. Again run it, and get line can read the space. So what are the size in string? So in string there have also, if I run it, you need to some type of terminators. Okay, first here just we tap, just we enter the enter key. Okay, this the terminates the string. Okay, and for this case another delimiter PREA set. These are the terminator. Using the terminator or using the delimiter space or null character, you can terminate your string. Okay, so there are various type of string method. So we go it for the for here. Okay, so what is the difference between the string and your C style string and character array? So in the C style string, that is the null terminated. Okay, that is the null terminated, and for the string, this is no, this is internally merged. Okay, and the for the memory management, this is the manual memory management, because you want to first assign your size, then go to the initialization, and here it is automatic. And functionality, this is the basic string, and this is very popular STL string. And C string safety is very low, this is safety is very high, because there have all work is internally merged, and the size is not management by manually, this is automatic. Okay, so there have operator support. Operator support means a string can concatenate. Okay, if you just write there have a, there have plus b. Okay, in string plus operator concatenated this. Okay, using concatenated, sorry, the character using the single quote, and in the double quote there have a string. Okay, in that case string concatenation is in there. So this is the AB, this is the output. Okay, and what is the different type of string methods? Using the string methods, first we, this is the size. Okay, this is for the size or length. There have length or size, you can say it. And what is the cout str1 dot size indel. Okay, and for the length also you can say it's stl length or size, both are equal. And is empty or not, is empty, then it gives you 1. If not empty, then it returns you 0. Okay, add string plus operator, and or append means you just take your string str1 and dot append, and your second string, this is the second string. Okay, that's type append. Compare, so compare, in the compare method, wait, in the compare, so this is the st dot compare, and your compare method, and this is the str. Okay, this is another string. So if both are equal, then the value is 0. If both are not equal, so there have, if both are not equal means not equal to 0, so there have two types of values. One is the positive values and another is the negative values. What is the positive values? Positive values if first write it, okay. str1 equal to, write abc or abc, and for that str2 there have a value cde. In that case, first character is less than the second string character, because A ASCII is 97 and C ASCII code is larger than the A. So in that case, we can say this is the, if you write string str, if you write this str1 dot compare your str2, so in this case we can say, so our output will be the negative, because str1 is less than the str2, so we get the negative, maybe -1, or also is str1 is greater than, and in that case if this is d, so in that case we say str1 is very large than the str2, so that case 1 is the answer. Okay, so this is the compare technique or method. Or what is the substring? Substring, find substring, okay, and go to the first substring. Okay, substring, this is the popular method in string. At first you need to, in the substring you first write the string, main string, then substr substring, and your what's the substring, your position, first your position, then your length. Okay, these are the substring method. First you need the position, then you need to the length. Okay, there have insert and find. In the find case you can also you want to find out any substring in your string, like substr, and you need find out hi or high. So it does not found in your string, so it returns the -1, or it found, it gives you the first index of your substring. Okay, there have a replace method, this is also a popular method. In the replace there have, if you string dot replace, and first your starting index, then first your starting index, then your length, and then you need to, what is your word, or what you replacing word. Okay, replacing word. So this is the method of string replace. So next, erase. You can erase the substring, or you can erase the your string, like str dot erase. In that case 0, the starting index, your starting index and your length. This way you can just remove your wanted substring and convert it to, or form, there have the converted form, this is the stoi, this is the string to integer, or to string, any integer to, or to string means you convert any other type, data type to string, so you can use it. So for the sort, first start with your starting index and the ending index. Okay, ending index, not like this. Reverse, you can reverse with the string. Also there have a method, like there have a popular method str dot pop. You can delete the from the last, and str dot push, you can delete what is push back. Okay, you can insert it any character. Okay, and also there have a method str dot font, sorry, font. Okay, I think this is the prompt. So this is the font, like there have a string, like there have a string a b s, these strings. For these strings, what is the font of there? This is the a, it returns you the a. And what is the back in the there? This is the l. Okay, now that case str dot back bsk, and this give you the last index. Okay, this is popular method in the substring, this and your this font. Okay, so okay, the whole string we are done in this lecture, and next lecture we will discuss about various type of question or various type of problems of the strings, so we can be more clearable. That's why. Okay, please subscribe for more details and for more videos. Okay, so thank you. Tata.